today what we're going to do is we're going to do a project we're going to call the Slant Block. I'm going to go to Autodesk Inventor. I want to go to New, Standard IPT, and I want to select the XY axis once it opens up. I want to work off that Cartesian plane, that XY plane. We start off in 2 dimensions on the XY plane. So I'm going to go to Start 2D Sketch, select the XY plane, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off here, and if you make a mistake, just hit cancel. I want to start off with my line tool. I want to start here, and then I'm going to work in a clockwise motion. And I want to create something that we're going to call the Slant Block. And I'm just going to rough it out. I'm just going to put a little slant here. Make sure we get that green dot. Green is good. That means we're dealing with a closed profile. Now, once I have this figure on the computer, then I want to assign some dimensions. To assign dimensions, what I'm going to do is go up to Dimension. We want to start thinking about assigning the largest dimension first. So this dimension here is going to be 5 inches. All of a sudden it gets way too big. So what I'm going to do is go home so I can see it, and then go back to my front view. So now that I have the 5 inches for the base, my dimension tool is still highlighted, and click the next dimension. We're going to make this 3. I want to make this line 3. And in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to try to stay away from slopes. Any slope line for this class, we're going to stay away from, because that deals with something totally different. But with all these dimensions that we have here, we can figure out the size of all of our lines. So our goal is to remake this shape. And from what I have here, we can do that. So now that I have my overall size and shape of my front view, the width and the height, now I want to add some Z coordinate for depth. The depth I'm going to make is going to be 2 inches. Okay, so I'm just going to go up to Finish Sketch. Too close. I'm going to go home. I want to go to Extrude. I want to make my depth 2 inches. And then say OK. Now what we can do is color to whatever color you would like. Okay, and that's how you make the Slant Block. So good luck with it. What we're also going to do is we're also going to make a title block and border afterwards, and go from there. All right, good luck.